How to make new Gmail account in mobile. I will tell you step by step. Okay, just open your Gmail apps. Then you have to click on right side. You can see here, just click on this corner. Okay, then you can see add another account. Click on here. Then click on Google. Okay, create account for my personal use, or you can choose business. Okay, first name here, type your first name, and the surname here, then just next. Okay, and your birthday, okay, then you can choose your gender, male or female. Next. Okay, you can see here already there is email account. You can choose from here, you can pick anyone. Otherwise, if you want something different, you can create on Gmail. Okay, here just you can choose your Gmail here, new something different if you want. Okay, right now I don't want to make new, so I will choose here one. I will pick from already here. Okay, then see, click on next down. You can see here. Okay, then create a strong password. We can use like a number, letters and symbols. After that we have to click next. You can see down, just click next. Okay, you can add phone number here. Okay, then next. Okay, again you have to click next. You can read this privacy, otherwise you can click I agree. Take few seconds, just wait. Yeah, already done. To see your account, click on right side corner top here. See, Gmail is ready. You can see.